Hey guys, this is a video request I got from xctome. So Mike, here is my water heater. It's a A.O. Smith Energy Saver, 40 gallon, natural gas. It's installed 8/12/01. I believe it's the third water heater this house has had because it was built in '61. I know the one before this was put in about 1980 because I found the paperwork in a drawer in there when I bought the house, and it lasted until '01, so I think this is number 3 in 49 years. There's the pressure relief valve. Goes right down there and goes outside the wall. And that's where I keep it set. Right there on the recommended setting, I guess. Gas supply coming in. I think there used to be a gas dryer out here, and that's what that was for. I'm going to take this off, and I'll probably see if I can get it to fire so we can see that too. Oh, it has a Phillips head screw, so be right back. Here's the pilot light. Okay, there's my water heater. I got some still shots of the model numbers and everything, so because I know this won't pick it up good just with the video. Here's the top draft hood, cold water inlet, shut off, hot water outlet. I wasn't too pleased with these flexible connectors they used when they installed this, but they haven't given any trouble, so I guess they're okay. I would prefer to see that with solid pipe all the way. By the looks of the drywall, there's been a leak or two out here. You can see the splotches on the wall. Looks like maybe it had a leak here at some point. And the roof's probably leaked down through there sometime in the last 49 years. Around that water heater flue. And while I'm out here, I'll probably see if there's any rust in the bottom of it. Hadn't done this in a while. Yeah, it don't look too bad. I always keep this cap on here because these things tend to drip. It's just a garden hose cap with a little washer in it. And right outside here is the pressure relief valve drain. So anyway, over and out, guys. And thanks, Mike, for the video request.